Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your Honor Magic V6. First, what are we going to do is we're going to clean the fingerprint sensor with a soft cloth. So the fingerprint sensor is actually on the side of the phone. It's as a power button here. So we're just going to go over and give it a little bit of a clean. So we're just going to swipe up with a soft cloth. We can use a microfiber cloth, whatever floats our boat, to be honest. And now if you want to go over and just fix it, what are we going to do is we're going to go into the settings to re-register the fingerprint. So open up the settings. From here, you need to go to Biometrics and Passwords. Here we go to Fingerprint ID and we're going to enter our lock screen password. Now we got the fingerprint list right here. We can add up to 5 fingerprints. We're going to click on this one, click on delete and click delete. So now here we can click use fingerprint ID to unlock device. We're going to go and click add. Now we need to swipe our finger left and right on the sensor. So it's better if you just put your phone like this and just swipe around the sensor, and soon you should see that enrollment is successful and that your fingerprint has been added. So we can click on OK and the fingerprint list is back. Now we're going to go over and test it out. As you guys can see, it went through. And of course, if you're having any issues, if you don't have the screen protector here, for example, if you don't have the screen protector, what you guys want to do is go over and clean the entire screen. Sometimes it can cause the interference because if it's really badly placed, of course it can go off screen, and if it's touching the fingerprint sensor here, that might already cause some issues. So you want to make sure that your screen protector is applied perfectly fine. It's not going towards any edges on the right side or on the left side. And now, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and update our software. So we're going to go to System and Updates, go to Software Update, and here we are waiting for an update. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.